What are the varying BCG vaccine strains, and where are they used? The Bacillus-Calmette-Guerin vaccine is not just one product but a collection of different strains derived from the bacteria that cause tuberculosis. These strains are live, weakened bacteria from Mycobacterium bovis, and they have evolved separately over many decades in different laboratories around the world. This has led to genetic differences among the strains, which can affect how they stimulate the immune system. There are two main groups of BCG strains based on their genetic makeup. The first group is called early strains. These are older strains that have kept more of their original genetic regions, like the ARD2 region. Examples include BCG Japan, also known as Tokyo, BCG Russia, BCG Moreau from Brazil, BCG Sweden, and BCG Burkhog from Norway. Countries like Japan, Russia, Brazil, and some European nations mainly use these early strains. The second group is called late strains. These have undergone further genetic changes, including deletions of certain regions like ARD2. They are classified into groups such as due to Group 3, which includes BCG Danish and BCG Glaxo, and due to Group 4, which includes BCG Pasteur, BCG Theiss, and BCG Connaught. These strains are more common in Europe and North America. For example, BCG Danish is often used in European countries, while BCG Pasteur is popular in France, and BCG Theiss and Connaught are used in the United States and Canada. Genetic differences among these strains are quite detailed. They involve small changes in the DNA called single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs, as well as deletions and duplications that influence how genes are expressed and what antigens are presented to the immune system. Despite these differences, research shows that most strains provide similar protection against tuberculosis in animals and humans. For instance, in animal studies, BCG Theiss has shown slightly better protection than some other strains, but the differences are minor. Some strains like BCG Glaxo have been reported to have lower efficacy in certain studies, but overall, no strain has been proven to be significantly better than others. Worldwide, the choice of BCG strain often depends on historical availability, manufacturing sources, and regulatory approvals rather than clear evidence of superior protection. Countries with early strains include Japan, Russia, and Brazil. Many European countries and North America tend to use late strains like BCG Danish, Pasteur, Theiss, or Connaught. In terms of clinical importance, the current evidence suggests that no particular BCG strain is markedly more effective than others in preventing tuberculosis. Major health organizations like the World Health Organization do not recommend one strain over another. The differences in vaccine efficacy seen across different regions are more likely due to environmental factors, exposure to other mycobacteria, or genetic differences among individuals rather than the strain used. In summary, the BCG vaccine is made up of multiple strains that have evolved over time into early and late groups. These strains are used in different parts of the world, but there is no strong evidence to suggest that one is better than another for preventing tuberculosis. The focus remains on maintaining high vaccination coverage globally to protect populations from this serious disease. If you have questions about BCG vaccination or your personal health, always consult a healthcare professional for guidance.